What? What? What will you do? What? What will you do? What will you do? Who are you? What will you do? Huh? Please. Keep your phone. Why you not afraid? Why you not afraid?
Kublai pi baro kini hilong ki kubor bam takasngi. Kei gabadon halin dat jong ke jingjia sha wengding ha pulit station lan umkra e ki kali pulit kawai ka gypsy kawai ka bait kawai pat ka kali tourist. Kami ke jing kulmar hadien bakaladon ke jing sha sho jong ki samla khasi hakmat ka office UDHS halat umkra. Balai ki pulit kemla bante lakam ye upat ba ha kate ke jingjia. Lalet ai e hajar ki pulit jong kalat umkra nrei layathu baki pulit kimshem lapdiang ya ka e hajar ba dai hangta ba kalami ke jing ya kawang tin hapdeng ki riupat ba barki pulit barkam dei tangkata kate ke jing bitar kala pelong ru ya ki riupat ba bakin kawang mau ya kate ka tahanat pulit halat umkra ba layathu ru ba kadon ke jing sha bom ki samla khasi hakapor jong kate ke jing ya kawang mau hakapor komba shiteng snya nen kamin.
What? What will you do? What? What will you do? What will you do? Who are you? What will you do? Huh? Please. Keep your phone. Why you not afraid? Why you not afraid?
Kadang don ke jing jurip nakaliang jong ki pulet banwat ya kata kadau jong kata ka jing thang ya ki kali ha police station laju krap di house kani ke jingja kalong ka masusi sipon kung bangalayo mga ka jing pentip na kipulen kalong ba kaladon ke jingya mai hapding armamla hakaway ni kidong syakman bat nang tu pede kata ke jingya mai kalawan poy siya ni siya po police station akaba iwan bakin file gitu ki FIRs baka don kata ka jingsha bam bakim sha banyan na kata kalenti ya kita ki kanol tinray kani pare kala sujano ha kata karukom ha kaba artli ne lightly ne southly gitu ki vehicles kila pande ki two wheelers four wheelers ki susha pang kumni ngim dei ban sha ya kani bakan cha kasnong lain kra gre kasnong kapatip riu kapatip an ban ngim dei ban sha ikani tingalawan hi tengkat di NDC Shah police station ban ong ye kipunet baki dei ban shim ya kadenti katkum ki kendon jongka an amla ban sha yenu ru ban bat ya ka an akti betul kam tam lele ha kapor mit poryong baladon kajing ya di ya bang kaningim dei ban sha lanu ru bat idang ya persyang mentang banwan ki cases hap ban pai nomor ba amla ban sha ya kani ka lawlessness bakan yai long kumni ha kani ka constituency bidungi ni simkya ya kata kum MDC MLA bat nila request ki pudet makin shim ya kalenti jongka ai bat ban pe bakum kani ke jingjang num jasho hagi por
kadang ni goda kadang ke jing ong ba sha tai khasi hagi batla hagi bombe
actually ngim don kam ban pen kelap communal yakum kani ke jingjang ai yaki pulet ai yaki parties baro bansha banwan ban file gitu ki FIR ko makikwat but ka law agency kepada police department kan sejurip but kan sawadi kata kam dei syapang gajing sya syo E versus UB B versus E nomor UE uang ni sya syo mangi UB uang ni klam syo mangi kata kam dei ki issue ni nai penkelaya ka kajing ya mai bajing bami sungku jat pendri kam dan AA ru kum ke MLA betip riu ngangoong kala dei pakadei pormi patlaya kren apdeng kajing bam biang kakli ha kajing shisha man ki police station man bajar kumni dei man ne medical test lut yakat ki badon hutu pat sisen bakila long involve ha kanong kajing show Ne ke jing pen ken ya kedung ka an. Kita ki balik kita ki kamru kim dei ban ong ngam lek ya ka medical test. Mar usually ka dei bet kata. Ke jing edi ya bam. But kalong ka basosi. Nga kum ka emet hashi snow ba dei ban ya kim jing mun than. Kada ki kon samma ni ki kwa ban yang ship surok si ban ti sige bakini kendo paralok ya di kopi. Ngangam kwa bandai kata ka emet ka ban penduk men si mi ki bakin ban caka ban cak. Re hapang ni sya pa je pi bapinyele kum ni pi syo no kum ni. Ti syano kan poi ka snong jonga. Apa la long em kata?
Kadang yang kata kajing kena bagi pulit CRPF rugi kita akti ya kita ki
Mano?
khasi. Kadang yang terakhir.
Parabor wat sya ya ka ham saya bakan kam kraw ya ka jingjang. Mano ba syo ya no lada udai ni emu uniform personal. Kabam la long kata. Apa piwan da ka mob bani keren di gero ka kam tam le ha ka porbiet kam don ka jing syai. Ipulit kinwan tip mata. Ki report skin penbiang mata. Tang baka ham saya kata ka jing ya per ba jat penriu ka digawai. Kata ka jing syo ujat penriu kung tao bodai tao opisana bomdai ofsar usyo ya kita tinggi day pen baka ni ngin kontino hangi. Rey numdon uweiru uban long halor kaan. Barok ngihap ya lembah kaan. Pat ay baka denti jong ka jing jurip kan pedi ya ka jingja menen.
Ang ito tiba na yung kapag klot, yung kulit jauh lang yung kulit pahado.
Kum no pin ong katlot na kaslot na pulit pesini. Kum no pin ong baki pulit ki tlot na kim tlot na ki klan. Habalawan na kajing tmu bantang idang la man pensenge. Tengah mentangan ya mai no banobat no ngan 1 3 station ngan litang no itu kali. Sya si pi ben keren kota. Sya si gi bri ben keren kota. Piong ba pi kum baduna ka force hang ne takadaw pisang no itu kali. Tapi kwa kan ngot ki pulit nginbo aka pormiet ako ka ban la ka police station. Kimla man nyom kum tatang namar badon duna ki force akan ni ka station. Ngide bandai ka jat bandrio ka tip ya la ka jong ka duty. Pikno ya ka jing duna ki bay. Kay ya ka jing duna la jong ro ken. Pinha ban ong makadon kum kata ka filia. Kum no pinong kata po snem ngalolong ya meli PGO im kan ni jing ja. So kibon ki factors bat ngam kwa bangan keren di kita ni. Nrei ngala de pata. Ya ki pulit. Bamdai ban sya. Ya kum kan ni ka jing ja. Pat na lalam bapilatang ya ka kali tipin hapan sya jurep. Kumbaga judai ka ruko. Mlaban si pinu ya do. Mga kapon ko bakimia suto syo ka jabing dalamit layong balik ikwa banya penpoy akum kani ka situation.
The same thing in English, please.
Yes, you talk you ask Linda so that you can get
Karena tadi kali bahasa thang bat lano train khat haje.
ngayo iba kaway ka gypsy te kala snail shisha kaway ka kali ngayo i la pra la pat dut ngayo i kaway ka bike te yakata ka jing jurip dung in up na kipulit pangim sya pi ya kanika lawlessness bakan wanja haka constancy. I will not be able to ascertain the details of what exactly has happened because the police are now preparing the report. Honorable HM has himself instructed the police to take control of this situation, to prepare the reports, and to ensure that we know what exactly happened. Fact of the matter remains. If you have violated law, you will have to face the music. You will have to face a case because you cannot do this. There's absolutely lawlessness. Now we have seen that in the entire stretch of main road like Umkhra, inner circle, every night we have this hanging out of young people saying they're having coffee, saying they're meeting friends. We don't have entertainment spaces for our children, for our young people. As an MLA and my MDC, we have observed. Many people have advised, why do you allow? But then we are of the opinion that if kids have nowhere to go, it's okay if they hang out on the road also, no problem. But here now you see this kinds of incidences. When arsoning takes place in a police station, it's a complete violation of law. The arguments started in another location there in Bhagyakund between two groups. And this is what has resulted.
Is it a fact that it's the cause was basically due to the drunken brawl?
It is obviously a drunken brawl, but how do you determine a drunken brawl? Firstly, cops, the police on duty should insist and take medical reports, breath recordings of individuals. Then only can you say it was a drunken brawl. But I don't know whether that was done. So I have urged the police to take cognizance of this. In fact, we should have more and more of the mobile alcohol breath analyzer machines, because this is not acceptable. Not acceptable at all. I want Lajumkra to be peaceful. You come from somewhere to my city, to my streets, and you create this problem. I am expressing my anger on that. Lajumkra is a peace-loving community, and we do not want any rumors to start from here. There has been no differences of communities, please remember. Two groups of people, probably in a very drunken mood.
Ma'am, will the police summon both parties on this?
Police will do its duty. It is not for me to dictate to them. But law will take its own course.
So have these two groups been identified?
I will not respond to that because that is a concern of the police department. I am the MLA. It has happened in my constituency. I'm here to ensure that this does not repeat and that we contain this. But if you have burned a police vehicle, obviously you'll have to be answerable.